Eggs are a staple food in many households, and there are many different ways to cook them. Well, boiling eggs can be a hassle, especially when you need to cook a large number of them. That is where the Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher comes in. This innovative kitchen appliance offers 2-in-1 solution that can boil up to 8 eggs at a time or poach up to 4 eggs at a time. With its stainless steel body, heating plate and food-grade transparent lid, the Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher is a must-have for everyone who loves eggs. So inside the box of Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher, you will get one main unit, one egg tray, one poach bowl, one cover, one measuring cup, one user manual and a warranty card. The Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher can boil up to 8 eggs at a time, or you can poach up to 4 eggs. This makes it ideal for families or for those who want to cook a large number of eggs at once. It is also a great way to save time and effort, especially when you need to cook eggs for a large group of people or for your daily use. The Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher offers 3 different boiling modes: soft, medium and hard. This allows you to cook your eggs to your desired level of doneness, whether you prefer them soft, medium or hard boiled. This feature gives you complete control over the cooking process and ensures that you get perfect eggs every time. The Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher is made with a stainless steel body, a heating plate, and a food-grade transparent lid. This makes it durable, long-lasting, and easy to clean. The transparent lid allows you to see the eggs cooking, so you can monitor the process and ensure that they are cooking perfectly. The Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher is designed with safety in mind. It automatically shuts off once the eggs have been boiled or the water has run dry, so you do not have to worry about accidentally overcooking your eggs. It also comes with a measuring cup with a piercing pin, which you can use to pierce the eggs before boiling. This helps to prevent the eggs from cracking while they are being boiled. So if you want to boil your eggs, then add appropriate water. You can also refer to this table for specific water measurements. After adding some water to it, now it's time to put eggs on the shelf stably and then get the cover top on. It is for your reference only, and you can also make adjustments according to your experience or your desired egg amount. Now connect to the power socket and switch on the egg boiler. The power will be turned off once the water in the egg boiler is dry boiled, and this will indicate that the steamed eggs are ready when the indicator light switched off automatically. In addition to this, you can make dhoklas, idlis, poach your eggs, make omelettes, boil veggies. Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher comes with a 2-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence. This warranty gives you a peace of mind, knowing that you can rely on your egg boiler for years to come. And in conclusion, the Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher is a must-have for anyone who loves eggs. With its 2-in-1 capabilities, 3 boiling modes, stainless steel construction, and safety features, this egg boiler is a versatile and convenient tool for your kitchen. Whether you are boiling eggs for breakfast, poaching eggs for lunch, or steaming vegetables for dinners, the Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher is a perfect appliance to help you get the job done easily in few minutes. Thank you for watching this review of the Agaro Grand 2-in-1 Egg Boiler and Poacher. If you want to save time for boiling eggs and steaming vegetables, be sure to check out the link in the description box below of this video to get your hands on this amazing product. And if you have already used the Agaro Grand 2-in-1 Egg Boiler and Poacher, we would love to hear your feedback in the comment section below. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends who might also benefit from this fantastic product. Thanks again for watching. This is Divya from Tegonity Studio. We'll see you soon in a very new video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.